Cleaning a Pakistani fine carpet by PetPeePee, especially from urine odor. Let me show you how a fine Oriental rug that came from the most exotic place on earth, Pakistan, Iran, Turkey, all this area produce a beautiful Oriental rug that can last for generations to come if you clean it the right way. What makes PetPeePee a cleaning process different than anybody else? We guarantee the removal of the urine odor without the risk of color run or fuzziness, because we never use a scrubber. We never deposit any chemicals or unpleasant smell into your Oriental rug. We invented a cleaning process and cleaning product from the Dead Sea, and we build the XpetPee machine that's clean the fine Oriental rug through. Upon delivery, put your nose whatever you want on the Oriental rug. Guarantee you will never have a trace of chemical smell, deodorizer, or a pee-pee odor. If your rug it's made of wool, you will smell wool. If it's a silk, no odor. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense.